Won't they know? No, 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 no. Won't they know? No, 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 no. Fuck that, no.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding it for you. Already folding it for you.
I am expecting you put curly wig in the mail today. It's gonna be here by 2 o'clock. It is 1:33, so I have my watch. So my wig is gonna take this. This is water and Dawn soap. I am not your natural hairstylist. I'm not the perfect natural hairstylist. Nothing like. I do what I want to my hair. That was the mailman. My wig is here. So I want to show you guys the hair. The wig is a little big in the back. I hope I have enough gas.
Boy, really get me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. 'Cause you serve me on a regular. I need to tie this rope. Before we drift any deeper, baby, now hold me close. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to rock the world, work it rhythm
It is the day after Thanksgiving. I had a ball with my family. Yeah, a time was had. I came home a little intoxicated. Didn't take off my makeup. Didn't do nothing to my hair. Just got in bed. I'm just a girl. Today for me is really just like a reset type of day. It's my opportunity to do like a cool transition. Alright, so now that we're all cleaned up, all showered up, I thought it would be a marvelous idea for me to show you guys my beauty care essentials. My beauty care essentials. Okay, so